Welcome back, guys. It's the Tightwaddiy, and today I'm partnering with Sylvania to show you how to install their LED light bulbs. These are 6000K cool white light fog lights, and mine are old, dull, and yellow. We're gonna get them replaced. We're gonna start off on the passenger side and always turn my tires facing out on the side that I'm working on to give me a little bit more space. Here we're going to have one trim clip on the bottom here. There should be one here that is obviously broken and fallen out. I'll get it replaced. And then when you come around and look under the front side, you're gonna see that we have one here and one here that are Phillips head that I need to remove as well. When removing these little trim tabs, it's very helpful to have one of these trim tools. I'll make sure I provide a link in the description to my Amazon storefront where I have some of these materials in there, and it should just pull it right out. These particular ones have square backs. So since this top one is already missing, I'm gonna go under the bottom and use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two screws. There is one more small clip back here that needs to be pulled out. Comes out fairly easily. And now I'm going to pull out from this end first, and down a little bit. Then the whole thing should slide towards the engine and pull right out. With that out of the way, you can now see this orange sticker right here on the back of the existing bulb. To remove these bulbs, you're going to turn them counterclockwise or lefty-loosey, and they usually turn about a full quarter turn and then pull straight out. There's a little tab on the back side of the bulb right here that you push down that's going to release the bulb from the socket. If they get jammed in there, I've sprayed compressed air in there before because dirt and stuff builds up, and it makes taking them out a lot easier. The new LED bulb looks very different than the old one. It does have a substantial feel to it. They don't feel flimsy and cheap, but then it just slides in the little clip on the bottom side here, slides in the side that has the notch, and they just clip right in. After I get them in, I typically give a little tug to make sure they're not going to come out without pressing the clip on the back. To reinstall it, we're going to repeat the process. We're going to turn this piece to be about 2 o'clock. If you're thinking about a clock where this would be 3, that would be 12. We're going to go at about 2 o'clock and slide it in. The little black tab should fit in the grooves there. And once it's seated properly, you should be able to turn it clockwise down to about that 4 or 5 o'clock position. So that lets you know that it's locked into place. With that in place, we can now turn on the key to the truck and test and make sure the light's coming on before we reinstall the panel. All right, so you can see that nice, clean, cool white light compared to the old yellow light here. Let's get both of them in the picture. When putting this plate back on, you want to make sure that this piece and the bottom piece go in behind the chrome part of your bumper, and they should snap into place. These should line up easily, and then that back piece should also line up. We're going to start with the small plastic clip and get it in, and then I'm actually going to put this one in the top. I'm going to get another one to slide in the bottom slot, but it should clip right in there. And now we need to reinstall the 2 screws on the bottom using that Phillips head screwdriver. Now I just need to repeat the process on the other side. It took me about 10 minutes total to get the tools and get these 2 bulbs swapped out. If I wasn't videoing, I could have done it even faster. Go check out Sylvania, get you some new LED bulbs for your fog lights, and check out the playlist for the 2007 Tundra on the end screen. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left-hand corner to subscribe to my channel, and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.